Hi there, here is Marcos Lima from AutoTown, Winnipeg. So today I'd like to show you here the Toyota Tacoma 2012. This one has lots of features on it. It's a 4x4 with the TRD off-road package. It has a trailer hitch, tonneau cover here. This one is a local unit. Fog lights, block heater, alloy wheels. Here the running boards. The safety is done, the vehicle looks really nice. It's ready to go, it's really clean. And I'm going to show you here a little bit of the inside as well. Okay, so now I'm going to show you here some of the features of the vehicle. This one, it has a Bluetooth, cruise control, traction control, power mirrors, power doors and power windows. It has an MP3 sound system with auxiliary and USB connection, AC. It shows you here the temperature outside. There is also a home link. Here, view camera. The truck is really clean. It is in great shape. So if you have any questions about this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call. And on behalf of AutoTown, I would like to thank you for watching this video.